stimming, hand flapping, and spinning. This is not bad behavior. It is the cerebellum of the brain asking for help. Cerebellum is that part of the brain which controls movement, coordination, and balance, and also sensory processing. And in some autistic children, this part of the brain is underdeveloped. And that is why at times brain uses stimming or spinning or hand flapping as a way to self-regulate itself. I came across some research papers that said that there are certain cerebellum exercises that can help to reduce stimming by 20 to 40%. And one such exercise is called rocking on all four, which means a child can bend down, be on the knees, put both the hands forward and just move forward and backwards, forward and backward. This exercise stimulates the cerebral pathways and it reduces sensory overload. So not just this, but there are many such targeted exercises which very senior experts can teach you parents so that you can do them with your child every day and start seeing such benefits on a regular basis. I have personally seen some of the exercises which happen in Ayurved's online therapy program where therapists teach the parents to perform these exercises at home with the children, and I hear the feedbacks. I see the reports that what kind of improvements those children are going through. So if you also want to do some specific targeted such exercises for your child, if your child has certain concerns which are relating to the brain or to focus, memory, speech or behavior, please get in touch with us. We will be happy to share more information about this online therapy program because it's very important for you parents to know that it is you who can make this happen for your child. You cannot be always dependent on an external teacher or an external center. It is very important that you learn all these targeted exercises and techniques because it will come very, very handy as your child grows.